Unchangeable God, unchangeable God. Unchangeable God, unchangeable God. Unchangeable God, unchangeable God. You are not here to see me tonight, you are here to see Jesus. I unchangeable God, unchangeable God. Somebody lift your voice and say, unchangeable God. Oh,
unchangeable God.
There's nobody like you, oh God.
Unchangeable God.
Oh Lord, you can never change. You are not a man that you should lie, nor the son of man that you should repent. You are the same yesterday, today, and forever. You are God, unchangeable God. Banning, banning, tickle, guayen, saya, tickle, guayen, water. You are unchangeable God, unchangeable God, and that is who you are. And that is who you are. Unchangeable, unchangeable. That is who you are. You are not a man. You are not a man that you should lie.